Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to resume video from the stop position in VLC Media Player for computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the VLC Media Player on your respective computer. And now say let me try to play one video here. So you can see the video is being playing. So let me pause it. And now just click on this tools option. Now click on this preference. Now just select this interface option. And below you will see here one option written continue playback, as you can see. So by default this option will have a never option selected. So now just click on it. Now you can select either aux or always. So I'm gonna select the always. You can select the aux also if you want to make it aux all the time when you resume your stop video. So I'll just select the always and click on save. Now I have paused it here. You can keep playing also, and you can directly close the VLC Media Player. Now let us try to rewind this respective video with the same VLC Media Player. Now you can see it has started from the time where I have left the video. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily resume video from the stop position in VLC Media Player for computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.